In our YouTube channel, we are going to start the series of videos covered following NEET biological topics, which are very important for NEET examinations. Topic number 1, structure of eyes, structure of hair, human brain, central nervous system, nerve impulse, neural communication, thyroid gland, salivary glands, pancreas, hormonal control digestion, growth hormones, stress hormones, plant hormones. Gibberellin allosteric enzyme, auxins, coronary arteries, antibodies, lymphocytes, and blood groups. Next, we discuss in human health disease, Mendelian disorders in human, tuberculosis, filariasis, vector-borne disease, arthritis and cancer, hemophilia, thalassemia, muscular dystrophy, Down syndrome, diseases caused by bacteria, diseases caused by helminthes, diseases caused by protozoa, polio, hepatitis, infertility, disease caused by virus, diabetes, mellitus and cardiovascular diseases, famine, plant tissues and organ. Chloroplast, plant movement, cell structure and function, plant physiology, part of plants, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body, structural organization in plant and animal, plant systematics, plant taxonomy, epithelial tissue, parenchyma tissue, nucleus, nucleolus, plastid, chromoplast, parenchyma cells, root modification, mitochondria, muscular tissue, macronutrients, plasma membrane, internal structure of root stem and leaf, animal cells. Lipids. We are also discuss about animal tissues, cytoskeleton, male reproductive system, female reproductive system, spermatogenesis, protista, morphology of bacteria, arthropoda, amoeba, penicillium, invertebrates, ringworms, hypothalamus, prions, vermiculture, yeast and albugo, archbacteria, lichens, porifera, volvox, protozoa, earthworm digestive system, kingdom fungi, meiosis, mitosis, cell cycle phases, genetic diversity, climate, greenhouse effect, global warming, conservation of natural resources, ozone layer depletion, electron transport chain. We discuss about Krebs cycles, carbon cycle, DNA structure, structure of RNA, restriction enzyme, regulation of gene expression in eukaryotes, transcription in eukaryotes, chromosome structure, protein synthesis, amino acids, enzymes, Mendel's law of inheritance, Hald-Weinberg law, method of birth control, sex determination, embryology, ecosystem, biodiversity, parthenocarpy, apiculture, amniocentesis, ECG, fermentation process, animal husbandry, pteridophyta, seed germination, life process, amoeba, diversity in living world, hydroponic system, microbes in human welfare, apomixis. We are also discuss about predator, dialysis, cellular respiration, transduction, mycoplasma, manures and fertilizers, biomass energy, energy requirement, photoparodism and vernalization, heterotrophic nutrition, osmoregulation, bioremediation, food adulteration, double circulation, polygenic inheritance, double fertilization in angiosperms, macropropagation, plague, indigestion, chemo, chemiosmotic hypothesis, diffusion, floral formula, apoptosis, ecological succession, cleavage biology, fertilization, regeneration, apoplast, artificial hybridization, species diversity, biopesticides, pest control, biofertilizers, and peristalsis are all very important NEET exams.